Good day, traders. Stock Sumo reporting with BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. Today is Wednesday, October the 2nd, and we're doing some coverage on CBNT. That's C-Bond Systems, Inc., trading on the OTC markets under ticker symbol CBNT. Yesterday, the stock closed up significantly on light volume. It made a move from the 4-cent range up to around 13 cents, and we're getting up to a key resistance point. This was a resistance area here earlier, just a few months back. Next resistance is going to be right there at 22 cents. But going back on the chart earlier this year, the stock was much higher, has been in a downtrend, and has had some nice moves though off of those downtrends. Right here is one example where it moved from the 7-8 cents all the way up to 45 cents. That was just one session where it had traded some decent volume. But we're not using our typical chart method today with stock charts. CBNT isn't on stock charts, so I'm pulling it up on my E-Trade platform, and I wanted to go over support and resistance before I look at the technicals on the chart. So key support, it's coming off of the bottom. Key support's going to be 3-4 cents where it just came off of and bounced off of. Right up here is around 6 cents. This was a support area previously, and right here at about 10 cents was a support area. Now that the stock's getting above these prior support areas, I want to see these prior support areas hold as future supports. So right here around 10 cents and right down here at about 6 cents. We want to see those areas hold as support. Let's stretch this out and look at some of these technicals. The RSI just spiked and it got up in the power zone. So the RSI is showing some strength. The MACD just crossed over. MACD is giving us a diversion here after recently crossing over, so that's a good sign. But if you look at the volume, volume has been picking up. This stock trades lightly, doesn't trade a lot of volume. Noticed when it did make that big spike back here earlier in the year from the 7-cent range to the 45-cent range, that was on its highest volume bar. Since then, when it price dropped, the volume kind of tapered off. It was trading low volume. Now the volume's starting to pick back up again, and we're starting to see the price start to move again. So we want to put this one on our watch list. Check out our report. Stay tuned for updates. Be sure to visit BlueHorseshoeStocks.com, and while you're visiting our site, click on our disclaimer for disclosure. Make it a great day.